Well, let's get started. Hola, it's me Didi, and welcome to today's video. In honor of Pride Month, I'm doing rainbow eyes. I love Pride Month. I think it's so important to know your history as a queer person, and really this is the month to remember where we came from and look forward as a community to where we're going in the future. So I'm going to put on my drag face quickly, and then I'm going to get right back to you and we can start doing our rainbow lids. Are you ready? I'm ready, so let's get right to it. Let's go. Ooh. What I've done so far is cream and powder, contour and highlight. It's 6 colors in the flag that we use since 1976 or whatever. And so I'm doing 1, 2, 3 colors and then another 3 colors here. I'm gonna use my trusty Mehron body paint palette. And then what I'll do is I'll set them with powders that I have matching those colors. So let's just go for it and see what happens. I'm gonna use this eyelash thing to close my lid down. See, I can't keep my eye closed. This eye I can close, I don't know why. And feel free to be a little messy if you're following along with this tutorial. We can finesse this after. Time for orange, which is, in case you want to know, my favorite color. So far, so good. Okay, we have a little flag going on. What I'm gonna do next is my external makeup, which I'm gonna just do a very subdued, subtle eye in nudes. That way, the rainbow inside gets to be a reveal. Pride on the inside. Whenever I do shadows up here, I don't do anything reflective because then it'll start shining on the real bones and not the new highlighted and dark sections that I'm creating. So be aware of that if you're doing stuff here, but you think you can fake things but then put like shiny things, it like really gets difficult with the illusion. I'm using a brown from this NARS, I know, from this NARS palette called Erdem. Ooh, okay, that's a nice shape. I'm also using the contour palette that I have from Kat Von D. Nudes. Nudes and nudes and nudes. Don't say friends. And now, my favorite black of all time from the Urban Decay palette, Kristen Leanne, or whatever you say. This one. Super matte, super black, super gay. I'm doing a second coat on each eye and then also blending them as I go along. And I oh! Oop. And I oop again. Sometimes you make mistakes and then they become a thing. Let's keep going with the red lip. X marks the spot. Madame X. Since I've already mapped out where the eyebrow is going to go, it ends up being easier for me. Somehow it's easier to do the right eyebrow than the left one. Maybe because of writing. Crack. Well, I'm gonna have to make it thicker because I made a mistake. Oh well. Maybe that's why I shouldn't done my lips before doing my eyebrows. So now that the eyebrows are kind of done, I'm gonna powder down these colors. For the purple, I'm using this Maybelline Color Tattoo. Blue, since it's in the middle, I'm gonna make it a little shiny. Benai Lumiere Luxe Powder. For the green, I have this Makeup Forever color. Don't have a lot of green. Yellow, I have this Manic Panic. It's not really doing what I want it to. I also have this Wet n Wild one from 100 years ago. Let's see if this yellow and orange work better. For red, I have this Makeup Forever. Since pink was originally in the flag, I want to do a little tribute to the pink by putting it under my eye. For that, I'm going to use this Manic Panic. A little bit of this L'Oreal Infallible Blushes. Blend it out a little bit. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'm going to use my thinnest brush, and I'm going to use my black paint. I'm going to go back with my black powder to make sure that the edges of the black paint are blended. Alright, that's pretty much what I wanted. A little asymmetrical, but pretty good, people. Blush, I'm again using my little L'Oreal palette, orangier tone. Some pink on the tip of the nose. Alright, now let's do the lower liner. I don't like connecting my lower liner to the actual line of my eye on the inside, so that the eye has a longer kind of upward thing. Keeping it open helps me. Fuck! That was a big mistake. Huge. I didn't mean to bring the black line so dark and so thick and so inside, but that's what happened. To highlight the inside of my eyes, I love using these Stila products. It's like condensed white glitter. I have a greenish one, it's gonna go here, and a goldish one on the other side. These are the best. Thank you. Oh, let's not forget my beauty mark. I have one. Let's just fill it in. So I'm gonna put on my lashes, put on my wig, and I'll be back to reveal the final look. See you later. All right, that's the completed look. I'm doing like a mixture of like Carly Rae Jepsen and other stuff. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you thought. I hope you have a safe and responsible, lovely Pride season. Happy June, happy Rainbow, happy Pride. See you on the next one. Love ya. Bye.